Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of ln x squared divided by x dx. Okay? To solve this integral, you need to use the substitution rule. So if you define ln x as u, and if you take the derivative from each side of the equation, that will be dx divided by x will be equal to du, because the derivative of ln x is dx divided by x. So all you need to do here is to substitute these two expressions into this integral and rewrite that integral. So that will be integral of, instead of ln x, I write u, so that will be u2 times dx divided by x. Okay, and dx divided by x is equal to du. So I write here du. Okay, so integral of u2 du will be equal to u with the power of 3 divided by 3 plus c, that's the constant of the integral. So all you need to do here is to substitute this parameter u with the definition of u, which is ln x. So that will be equal to ln x with the power of 3 divided by 3 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And that's the solution to this integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.